I got the swatches done yesterday, and then in the evening, my husband brought home my package of the Saved by the Bell Wet and Wild. I stood up till 12:30, August 1st. So July 31st, I didn't go to bed at midnight, so I stood up till 12:30. Because Ulta usually releases their stuff by about 12:30 Central Time, and just to see, and sure enough, it did. It was up to Saved by the Bell, and I was starting to put each thing individually, and I saw this locker. I was like, oh crap, everything is in the one box. However, this is not like the other boxes. The other boxes are way better quality. You know, they're thicker cardboard quality. Enough that they would sometimes ship it out in that box, which is insane because people can steal it. I guess they wanted to save money on their boxes. And of course, people were pissed off. And I was like, you know what, simple solution. I think I've said this before, is you don't just order that set, throw something else in there, and they'll be forced to put it all in a box. This is not that good quality. This is just regular, cardstock quality that they put any makeup in. When you buy it in the store, you throw it out afterwards. That's the quality that this is. I just noticed there's like a dent in here. I didn't notice that yesterday. I'm not sure what happened. But anyway, people kept asking, is the entire set there, including the bag? And they didn't answer. I just noticed one of these things came like all dirty. Like some sort of glue was on top. So anyway, and they were asking if the bag is in there, and I didn't want to take any chances. I knew the entire makeup collection would be there, but I wasn't sure about the bag, so I bought the bag. And you could always use extra makeup bags. The bag is in here. They rarely do that, but it's there. Anyway, I will most likely, do a video taking everything out and showing you everything, because I can't do that all right now. Everything's like falling out. This is hilarious. There. But yeah, everything's falling out, so I don't want to do this right now. But yeah, I got the entire collection. My oldest daughter, she used to watch Saved by the Bell. I'm really wondering why that came. Like, one of them's all dirty on top. I'm not really sure what that's about. But, like the box is so cheaply made, it has a dent in it that I didn't see yesterday. And then, that came dirty. Like it looked like glue had spilled. Something dirty is on that. But I think it's just the cover, and I could just take that out. But yeah, the boxes, if you're a collector, they're not good quality anymore. Like usually, I still haven't done, because as usual, there's always something I haven't. There's just always something that I gotta do. I still have not organized my makeup. I don't have room for my makeup anymore. I'm kind of like just throwing it all in the closet, and I want to put them in these boxes. That will not work for this locker box. It's just cheap cardboard. So, like I said, it already had a dent. I didn't even notice that till now. I opened up the box to make sure it was there yesterday. But I didn't even notice that till now. Anyway, so that's that. Halloween, Spirit of Halloween is already opened up. Excuse me. They're already organizing. They're already out there. They've already gotten their storefronts or whatever there, and they have to start organizing everything. So I'm going to keep watching to see when Walmart gets the Halloween stuff in. I guess between COVID and other things. I guess they don't want to be stuck with a lot of stock, so I think their way to get out of being stuck with a lot of stock is to sell it to the stores. They've made their money right there, regardless of whether the stores sell it or not, put it on clearance or not. They've already made their money from the stores. It's not whatever they charge the stores for it, which is probably half price. I guess to them it's better than being stuck with stock that they can't sell. So that's the only reasoning I can see behind it. That's always been their complaint, why they don't carry a lot of stuff in, before. And, before COVID, they were selling out like hotcakes, whatever they had, and people were complaining that they didn't have enough. And, now it's, I think because of COVID, they're back to that. So just keep your eye out. I'm always checking out Instagram, Wet n Wild, wetnwild.com. Wet n Wild, Wet n Wild Beauty, hashtag Wet n Wild, hashtag Wet n Wild Beauty, hashtag Wet n Wild Cosmetics, hashtag Fantasy Makers. So those are the things I check, and then I know, okay, this is Walmart. Let me go check out my Walmart. My Walmart, my local Walmart is a piece of crap, but I have one that they seem to be like 5 to 10 miles away from each other. So the one near where my brother lives, that one usually has everything in stock. The one in Alvin has everything in stock. The one in on Main Street has everything in stock usually. So last year I had no problem. They were up at my Walmart, and the small display and the big display was in Webster, which is near where my brother lives. Alvin, where I'm always there, where my kids' doctors are. So, I'll be checking all of that out, and so hopefully this year I won't have a problem again, like last year, finding everything. And then they'll probably have leftover Fantasy Makers from the summer selling, and some of the other stuff on their website for the Fantasy Makers. So, alright, so anyway, okay, I will see you next week. And hopefully I have one appointment next week, so I have the rest of the week to do swatches and take pictures and all of that. So, okay, I will see you next week. Love you. Mwah.